This shower faucet with handheld and rain shower system is awesome. This was the perfect addition to this beautiful bathroom. If you look here, you've got your controls, you've got hot and cold, very simple, and then you can turn the knob to go from the rain shower or to the sprayer. So it has really good water pressure. If you are like me and you need good water pressure to get the soap out of your hair, shampoo and conditioner, this is going to fit the bill. Now, in the past, I've had other rain shower handheld systems that you get good pressure out of the handheld, but not the rain shower, and that is not the case for this. There is really good pressure coming out of both. You get a nice long reach on this, and I love that it's got good length on that. And then this is totally adjustable, so you can go up and down. We just used it, so it's a little wet right now, but it's just a beautiful option. Love the matte black. Love the water pressure, the ease of use, easy to clean, easy to install, just some basic instructions. This was an awesome fit for the shower. Give it a 5-star review and highly recommend.